Now we want to show you some modifying. So our learning goal is to modify. What can we use the modify tool for? Fillets. Go to the orbit section and we can go right in and we can escape. Press this one and this one. And we can go something like that. That's a 5.5. Okay. Orbit. That's good. Now we can put a few more radiuses on. Modify. Fillet. There's quite a number of other things we can do here. We can do chamfers. We can move and copy. We can combine and scale. So yes, you can scale it smaller. So we'll do fillet again. Hang on, cancel. We'll actually do the sharp tip first. We want about 0.7. That looks good. We might modify that. So we can go down here, right click, click it, right click, edit feature, and we'll go 1. That's good. And modify fillet here and here, about 5.5. Okay. Modify fillet, this one, and so I'm going to pick up the other face. Let's just orbit. Escape. That's good. And we just want, ooh, how was that? I think that's good. Okay. You might just go back and delete this one. Yes, and let's have a look at that. So we've got a really cool curve on there, which is very nice. Now we'll go escape, modify, fillet, both these sides, and we'll just go in about there. That's a 4.5. We'll look at that. It's looking good. And we'll modify fillet. And I think we're only going to have a very small one here, so 0.5. 0.8. I like that. So we have to go OK. We'll revolve that around. Escape, modify, fillet. Let's try if we can go bigger. Oh, we can. Oh no, we can't. So we can only go at a certain 2.5. What does that look like? That looks quite cool. So we'll have 2.5. So as you can see, the filling tool, just modifying it, can modify it quite substantially. Escape, okay, and we'll go back to the other fillet and we'll edit feature and I'm going to go 2.5. It's looking good. We got escape, we're still in modifying fillet 2.5. That looks good. And we'll put a fillet. We might put a fillet on the bottom. I think that's about all we'll do for now. So as you can see, the modifying tool is very cool for changing the shape to just streamlining it to improve the design. Thank you.